8/6/2020. Yes, it is. BKNG, known as Priceline.com. Travel agency, online booking, hotel, planes, houses, condos, villas, you name it. They have their hand in it. They've always been the leader. The bids have been climbing. They're 1762 by 1780. 1762 by 1780. We're market makers in the option pit, but we're also market makers in the equity side as well. But the money is made in the options, so we do have them on this one. Oh yeah. So we're just waiting on the earnings, and this is what it looks like before the report. Time 1:15 p.m. Here we go. We have a knee-jerk reaction. Up here, you can see the bid now, 1775 by 1797. No, their report was not good at all, and it didn't have to be good. And the reason why I'm saying that is because uh, what we're going to hear about on the conference call is what they're talking about as far as the horrible events that are going on with people wanting to travel. And is it picking up or not? And here is a 30-minute chart from the lows today of 1700. And the $1,700 calls are paying money. You can see the breakout right here. It's very clear on that. If you look here carefully in after hours, as we are, you can see that 1762. You can see that bid 1775 by 1798. Like I said, having the calls on this one, they were going to jack it no matter what. The report didn't have to be good. And on the conference call, though, it could get hairy. So we're going to see what happens and whatnot, and what they see as far as people's activities go with the online bookings. Remember one thing, they're Priceline.com, as you people may know it from the internet, and for the younger generation, maybe you know it only as Booking.com, but it is the leader, and the sector has been mutilated, and it's been coming up with the algorithms, and we can see 1795 by 1800. So yes, we will have the conference call, and we have other ones that we're going to cover and whatnot. But now what they're going to do is take the report that they didn't lose as much money and whatnot, and so that's good news. And then the other part's going to be when we hear about the complete breakdown in the categories of the online travel business from them on their conference call. Either that keeps the price up or the price tanks. But this is the result right now. Remember, when the stock was down here at 1700, that was the time to buy it. And this is the first time that this stock has had a move. It is. And it is the first time that right now it's really getting a big move relative to the other five horsemen that have moved the S&P and the NASDAQ into such absurdity levels of being overbought. But nonetheless, this one had lagged and whatnot. So it's 1810 by 1820 live right here in after hours. These are all the different exchanges. These are all ECNs, and we know how to route orders with options like this. These are all the things that you don't have, but we can set it up just like mine. All you have to do is give us a call at 702-685-0772. Remember, having the data feeds and all the ECNs wired for your execution, that's what you want. But right now, we're pumping 1820 by 1830. 1820 by 1830. So what has the market been doing? They've been looking for places to continue the move higher so that the algorithm can continue to send that NASDAQ and that NASDAQ 100 and NASDAQ comp and the S&P 500, don't forget, up to levels that you don't see very often. And when I talk about getting up there at 99% overbought, people better be careful and be looking out and whatnot, because that's what they're going to have to do. So, nonetheless, this is where we stand, and I'll update everyone later, after hours, how to trade it, how to buy the options, where the market maker in the options, how to get the big moves, get in that free 5-day trial. Don't you hesitate. Why would you? Do it today. Don't wait. Don't put off success. Don't put off moves like that. Here it is. It's live, 1808 now, but 1826. Yeah, so it's going to widen up, and we'll have the conference call. And then, let's say hurrah.